Okay, so I've got the guides put in place and the paper is in place also. So I'm going to try a test print onto the paper in this position. And it's a little bit off center. So I'm going to play around with the guides. I need to move the paper a little bit this way. So I'm going to move this guide slightly out like that and make sure that it's square. And the best way to do that is to turn it upside down and see if it looks right upside down. And it looks okay. I'm going to try it one more time and see how it does. All right, go. So here we are, put in a fresh sheet. I've adjusted the guides and I just want to make sure that it's going to print in the right spot. So we'll turn it on. And that looks pretty good. No. Okay. All right, so I've done a proof and a test print. Everything is ready to go. So I have my stack of paper here. And what's going to happen is I'm going to feed the paper into the platen like this and then pull it out with my left hand. So I feed with my right and pull with my left. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this without running the trip and print lever. If you remember, this position back away from me means the press is in trip and will not print. And when I pull it forward, that's the print position. So when you're operating a press like this, you have to get used to pulling that lever backward and forward, because if paper falls or something like that happens, you have to really get on it and shove that back quickly. So I'm just going to turn this on and show you how the process works. So I'm going to feed the paper in, push down on the bottom slides or the guides, and slide over to the left. And then when I print, I pull with my left hand. So let me show you how it looks just a dry run here. Print. Now, as I was doing this on my dry run, I noticed that the paper is catching. And it's catching right here because there's an old layer of adhesive from a piece of tape. So I'm going to go get a piece of tape and cover that up so the paper won't stick to it. And I'll be right back.
Okay.
Y'all have any questions?